Hello everyone. So in the last session I discussed about the properties of the shock wave and also the control volume. So today we'll learn about the conservation of mass, momentum and energy. So here the equations of this mass, momentum and energy are the governing equations for the control volume. So what are conservation laws here? So the conservation law, these are applicable for only closed system. So which do not exchange any matter with the surrounding and it is not affected by any external forces. So let us see one by one. First one is law of conservation of mass. It states that the total mass of an isolated system remains unchanged and is independent of any chemical and physical changes that could occur with the system. So in a simple words we can say that the total mass in an isolated system is neither created nor destroyed by any chemical reaction or physical transformations. So it is expressed as ρ1 u1 is equals to ρ2 u2. So that is the law of conservation of mass. Next one is law of conservation of momentum. It states that in a closed system the total momentum remains constant. Or one more definition is there, that is when two objects collides in an isolated system, the total momentum of the object before collision is equals to total momentum of the object after collision, which is given by P1 plus ρ1 u1 square is equals to P2 plus ρ2 u2 square. Third one is law of conservation of energy. It states that the total energy of a closed system remains constant, or we can also define it as the total energy of a closed system remains constant and is independent of any changes occurring within the system. So which is given by H1 plus U1 square divided by 2 is equals to H2 plus U2 square divided by 2. So that is the law of conservation of energy. Now let us see the application part. So first one is it is used in cell information. So that means by passing a shock wave of appropriate strength, DNA can be pushed inside a cell without affecting the functionality of it. Next one is it is used in wood preservation. So here by passing a shock wave, the chemical preservatives in the form of solution can be pushed into the wood, such as bamboo. So this method actually increases the life of the ordinary bamboo and also the soft wood. Third one is it is used in pencil industry. Here also what happens, by passing the shock waves, the wood is softened quickly. So by pushing the liquid inside it. In this method, the wood will be taken very short time to get dry. In the regular methods, it will take very long time for this process. Next one is by using the shock waves, drugs can be injected into the body without using needles. So it is used in the treatment of dry bore wells also. So these shock waves sent through the dry bore well, which cleans the blockages and reconnect the bore well into the water source. So these shock waves are actually used in kidney stone treatment also. So in a therapy called extracorporeal lithotripsy. So these are few applications of the shock waves.